Okay.
Okay, so this is a 5th kyu test requirement. This is Kaitennage, 10 count, or a turning. There are 2 variations for this. So if he's grabbing my wrist, I'm going to the same side. So I'm going to turn, and as I do this, I bring this out, step underneath, cut to my far leg, grab the back of the head. My hand is coming to a V here. Big step behind, turn, one more time. He's grabbing, turn, up, step behind, cut the far side. This hand comes over the top like a blade, touch. I take a big step behind, turn, use his arm like a lever. One last time this one. So turn, up, cut, big step, throw. Variation number 2 is called soto. And turning, now this hand rotates between the 2 of us, and I take a big slide behind him and throw. One more time. Turn. This comes up the blade of the hand as I slide forward. Taking the head, taking the arm, turn to throw. Last time. So this big turn, scoop, throw. Thank you so much.